Okay, now we're grouting this tile that we're putting in, the Teaki tiles, in an Ohana bathroom. And we're on the last process for grouting, and Ken's using the fusion grout that he mentioned in our previous interview. And he was telling me about the difference of using this product versus an epoxy. Can you tell me just a quick different? You said that it feels different as you're grouting. It's easier to use, Ken, or what is the difference?
Yeah, it's the fusion gives you a little bit longer time, so I can spread an area and wash it really easily, where with an epoxy it's very time sensitive, and if you jump on it too late, you literally have to scrub or potentially come back the next day with some acetone or something to
Which
get the
would not
residue.
be good on the wood tile.
Right.
But we can't use that on wood tiles, so this might be a better option than, definitely a better option than the epoxy, yeah.
Yeah, I think so. It works really well, and like I said, it's easier to work with and easier to wash.
Well, we look forward to seeing the end result, but it's looking good so far. Thanks for your input on that, Ken. Aloha.